1996 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan. Talk about a cruiser right out of the 90s. Here you go. 2-owner car. Actual miles, 54,750 is all in this one. Underneath the hood, tried and true, 3800 V6. Some nice economical engine, reliable engine. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see front grille, bumper, all nice shape. Black over graphite interior. You can also see that black paint has a nice shine to it. You see the reflection of the ceiling in it. It's black. There's maybe a couple little spots that have had a little touch up, but overall, considering this is a 96, it shows very well. All right, still pictures. So you're gonna be able to see this from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on Uniroyal Tiger Paw radials. Oldsmobile wheels, that's not a wheel cover. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. It will come with the owner's manual as well as the window sticker, and I'll have that in the still pictures also. So if you want to see exactly how this is equipped, go ahead and check that out in the still pictures. Take a peek at the window sticker. It appears that the windows are lightly tinted. It's not an aftermarket film. It's like it's in the windows itself, and it's not too dark, but I want to make you aware of that, as you can see. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. You can see that passenger side was not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple things that are going to go along with the car. There's a full-sized spare, as well as a extra power antenna, it looks like. Get a good look at the rear of the car again. You can see the reflection in that black paint. A few notes from the technician on this one that looked at it. No shakes or vibrations. Brakes nice and straight. Brakes are 50% in the front. The rears are new. It does have new rear wheel cylinders also. And a note too, the light bulbs up front, so for the headlamps, high and low beam, they are LED lights, which does trip a warning light on the dash indicator in the information center that tells you the headlamps are not working. I'm guessing it's because of the draw from those LEDs is a lot less, so it's kind of tricking the system into thinking that there's no headlamps on. Headlamps work just fine, high and low beam, and they're brighter than they would have came on this car new. As you can see up and down this driver's side, also great looking paint, reflection in it, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Tell you what, if you like Oldsmobiles, no matter what year, make, or model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. So graphite, cloth interior. Give you a good look at the rear seating surface. It's like new back there. Listen to those doors close. All right, and up front, let me pull that key out a second. It does have your modern amenities, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating, power seats, both sides, steering wheel controls. Now, this is one of those colors, if I step back, there's the true color, that interior, kind of a dark charcoal. Graphite is obviously what they called it in 96. But if I get right up on top of it, it's going to want to make it look like it's washed out. That is not the true color. Step back, it's that nice dark charcoal. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Fired up too, so you can hear it run like I said earlier. All right, exact miles 54,750. Electronic climate control, and it is dual. You have a control over here for the passenger seating area also. AM FM cassette, and the stereo is working.
You can get pre-approved in just
there's that little warning indicator I was talking about, high beam and low beam. But as you can see up front, working just fine. Dash in good shape. Pop that hood so you can take a peek at that. Just a bit. I want you to hear it run back here first, nice and quiet. What you'd expect, power antenna working. All right, I'm gonna slip up front here, pause this real quick. I wanna get this hood open and we'll check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood, you can see how clean that hood liner is. Doesn't appear this thing's been driven much for inclement weather. Like I said, take a look at those underside pics, how clean this thing is. As well as the engine bay. And there it is. Tried and true. 3800 Series 2. Unfortunately, they don't make them like that anymore. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Good clean looking engine bay. AC blows cold. It's ready to roll. 1996 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan 2-owner car. Low miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1996 Oldsmobile 98. A luxurious Oldsmobile. 4-door with the equivalent of pillow top seats. Very comfortable. We've got lumbar, power lumbar adjustability on the driver's seat here. This car's loaded up nicely. We've got all the bells and whistles. The gauges down here, you can even cycle through whether you want to see your oil pressure, you want to see your tachometer, your battery volts, all the goodies on that fully digital dash. This is an automatic right here on the column, so it's easy to drive. Less than 55,000 miles on this 1996. So if you missed your chance to get one back then, take a look at this one. There's not a crack in the dash. I'm not even seeing any staining anywhere on the doors. It is in really good shape. Now, the radio works well. Believe it or not, 1996 cassette. We still had cassette. Now, you probably could order that with CD. This particular car was ordered with cassette. I have not tested cassette, but FM works well. Steering wheel controls for the HVAC system and the stereo are working as they should. Bump the fan up or the heat or the AC with a flick of your thumb. In 1996, that was a fairly new feature, and Oldsmobile was leading the way. Overhead storage up in the headliner. An amazing ride. Such a smooth ride. Corners well, corners luxuriously. Check out all the pictures of this Oldsmobile at UniqueClassicCars.com.